Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app here called Streetspotr, okay? And you're wondering, can you actually earn money with your smartphone, right? How does this really work? How much money can you really make? Where can you access this app? And the big question is it worth your time, all right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different make money online apps, websites, business models, and some of them are great, but some of them are just really a little bit of a waste of time, all right? So let's take a look at Streetspotr to see whether this is a good way for you to make some extra money 100% from your phone, okay? Now, Streetspotr is a European app. It's pretty cool, based out of Germany, and you can download it globally. But unfortunately, the money-making aspect of it, where you can fill in, jobs and fill in surveys, and a few other different things, are mainly in Europe. So you might be able to access some jobs outside of Europe, but the majority of it is from within Europe itself, right? And so what they do is they call it spots. And you can download it on your app for free. So this works on both your Android phone and on an Apple device, which is very cool, right? And depending on where you live in the world, or mainly in Europe, right, you'll see little spots pop up on the map. So what you have to do is, this is a kind of app where you have to open your phone, drive to that location, do that specific task, and then you get paid for it, all right? And the tasks are a combination of a few different things. You can take pictures because market research, they want you to take some pictures. It might be a location-based survey. That means you go to a particular spot in that particular city, and then you fill out a survey. Or it might even be a bit of mystery shopping, okay? And based on the task that you do, every single task will have a specific amount of money that they'll pay you. And each task ranges from roughly about 3 to 4 euros, usually about there. All right, so for every single task, it's not bad actually. You can earn between 3 and 4 euros. Sometimes it ranges at different prices, but that's essentially it's as simple as that. Okay. Now what happens is, after you finish each task, they will take usually about 7 days to check to see whether the task has been done accurately. And then after that, you can ask for a withdrawal of your money, which will take them 30 days to process. So in total, it's about 37 days in order for you to get your money every single time. And they only pay out specifically through PayPal. All right. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can just go and sign up for one for free at paypal.com, and that's how you can start earning some money. So pretty cool little app here. All right. You can check it out if you want. The big question is can you make money from this, right? Well, here's the thing about the app. Because it's location-based, you physically have to get to that location, which will take you a little bit of time. So if you're in a car, you're going to have to drive there. If you're on a bike, you have to bike there. If you're on a bus, you're going to have to bus there, and that could take quite a lot of time, right? So I highly suggest that if you want to use Streetspotr, then you need to be in an area where there are a lot of spots. Otherwise, getting there just to earn 3 euros is quite a lot of effort, if that makes sense, right? And then the other thing as well is the amount of money really depends on how many spots there are at that particular time. So you could be living in a city or a town or a village that doesn't have that many spots. So if you're living in a country in Europe that has maybe a very big urban area, so maybe you're in Berlin or you're in Munich, for example, you might get access to a lot of spots. But if you're in a more rural part of the country, then you might not get that many jobs, so you can't earn that much, all right? So, you might be able to earn a few dollars here, a few dollars there, or a few euros here, a few euros there. Perhaps you do 2 spots a day kind of thing. That will net you roughly about 6 to 8 euros per time that you do it. But it's going to be very difficult for you to sit there, drive all around town, and do 10 spots a day, because it's spread out pretty far, depending on where you live at that particular time. So I think it's a great, fun little way to make a little bit of money if you're in an urban area and you open up the app and there are lots of spots. But for you to make full-time income this way, it's not really designed for you to do that. Okay, so pretty cool little way to make money, taking pictures, taking location-based surveys, maybe even doing some mystery shopping. So if you want, you can check it out at streetspotr.com. You can download it from the App Store and the Google Play Store. All right, and you can check it out if you want. Right, so cool little way to make a little bit of fun money, but it's not gonna make you rich, okay? But if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to actually create some real income, real big income, right? And if you are looking for that, then look, I've been marketing online for over 14 years, and I've tried all sorts of different ways to generate income, and there's still one favorite way for me to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, and it's a very specific strategy. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email if you want to check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Streetspotr, and I will see you on another video review.